Hey y'all, this is Celestial Carabaos with the first episode of Calabao Chronicles. So bumabalik kami sa studio para mag-record ng bagong kanta which we will release as a single. Sa Red Monkeys kami magre-record. And here we are. Yo! We're here sa studio.
We're back at the studio,
Yeah.
guys.
We're gonna record our new song
And
for our new album. We wrote the lyrics and he came up with most of the lyrics. He came up with the chords and
Right.
yung arrangement ng song.
pero siya talaga yung nakapag-isip ng parang concept. And ako, tumulong lang ako sa pagbigay ng words. Pero siya talaga yung parang nag-bring up nung and nag-conceptualize nung kanta na i-record namin ngayong araw. Guys, excited na ako guys, personally, na
Same.
ma-record to. Kasi ang ganda nung mga naming mga kanta.
So, this is Red Monkeys sa Kanaman. So, kami nagre-record ng songs namin. Yeah, so that's my brother and that's us. That's me before recording.
Na masyadong iniisip ang humilipan na ang pang-araw-araw na dinadala.
Okay ba ka?
Ayos.
Next line.
Same note.
So here, nakikinig kami dun sa recorded song. So stay tuned na lang kayo as we release the single. We're done. We're done. Job's not finished.
Job finish. Job not finished.
No.